Whether you're a large healthcare facility, a small research and development venture, or an industrial manufacturing powerhouse, using a partner to deliver environmental health and safety operations may have valuable benefits. Third-party delivery of EH&S allows an organization to focus on its core goals, all while leaving the demanding safety, compliance, and health programs to the experts. Here are 5 reasons to work with an EH&S partner. 1. Ensure regulatory compliance. Choosing an EH&S partner ensures that your organization will remain compliant with all federal, state, and local regulations. Regulations are constantly changing, so leave it up to the experts who have the training, experience, and awareness to stay on top of these changes. Compliance services range depending on your needs. A simple audit by a qualified EH&S team can pinpoint any compliance concerns and provide proper solutions moving forward. 2. Managing risk and reduce liability. An EH&S partner has the time, attention, and resources to effectively mitigate risks, allowing your organization to operate safely and reduce liabilities. Without the proper focus on compliance and safety, your organization will experience compliance failures, failed inspections, fines, injuries, challenges with completing projects on time, bad press, and even shutdowns. 3. Reduce costs and boost efficiency. Staffing an entire EH&S department comes with substantial costs. An internal EH&S department may not be worth the value when you consider the resources required, such as constant training, a myriad of equipment and systems, and, of course, employee compensation. Third party delivers a well-trained team of experts, equipped with all the resources they need to get the job done. 4. Ensure employee safety. There is no margin for error when dealing with the well-being of employees. Third-party EH&S delivery ensures that employee safety is the top priority, as qualified EH&S providers have the means and experience necessary to develop proper safety protocols and procedures. 5. Focus on core competencies. Is EH&S a core part of your business? Probably not. It is, however, a core competency of EH&S firms like Triumvirate. Our experts allow you to focus on the critical aspects of your business without sacrificing EH&S integrity. Consider reducing the time your organization spends managing EH&S by leaving it to the professionals. For many companies, an environmental health and safety partner like Triumvirate can help you lower costs and improve compliance and safety, all while allowing you to focus on what's most important to your business's success.